Hey guys, it's Kashika. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do some basic henna designs. Before we jump right in, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers soon, so if you want to be part of that family, then be sure to subscribe. Without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So many of you may be wondering, how do you even hold a henna cone? So first you need to fold or squeeze the top of the henna cone so that there is enough pressure that when you press it gently, henna will come out of the tip. Also, when you hold the henna cone, you want to hold it kind of like you would a pencil, except your thumb will be on the top part of the henna cone, pushing down the henna. In order to practice what holding a henna cone is like, you should just take a napkin and practice running swirls and lines on it so that you get the hang of it. So all you really need to do henna is a napkin and a cone. Here I'm using a pre-made henna cone by the brand named Teala. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that the henna is running smoothly from the cone. If it's not running smoothly, then you can kind of pinch the cone with the napkin, as you can see here, and then you just want to run the henna cone on the napkin to make sure it is running nicely and flowing smoothly so that you won't have any problems when you want to put on the henna. So now that your henna cone is ready, here's where the first real design comes in. So you want to draw a line like I did here, and you want to draw little bumps going up and down up the line. This is one of the most commonly used henna designs, so it's important to know how to do it. So the next design involves drawing circles. You want to draw a dot, followed by a circle around it, followed by another circle around it, followed by little bumps like you did previously around the outermost circle. This is kind of a flower / mandala design, and it actually looks really cool on the palm, and this is what most mandalas are based around. So the next design is a flower, and just because of how many different types of flowers and petals there are in henna, I'm going to be drawing the 4 main different types of petals on one flower. The first petal is kind of a pointy shaped petal, so that's what it looks like. The next petal is flat at the top and then pointy. The next petal is kind of in the shape of a heart at the top. And the last petal is just a straight U shape. So this next design is actually kind of fun to do. You want to draw a dot, and then you want to draw swirls going away from the dot, like you see here. After that is finished, you just draw little bumps going around the outermost circle, like you did previously. So this next design is actually one of my favorites to do. It is a basic leaf. So first you want to draw a stem, which thins out at the end. Then you want to draw an outline of a leaf shape, and you want to fill it in with henna. Another way to draw a leaf is to draw a dot and then draw a thicker stem tapering off from it. So the last design you need to know how to draw is a simple paisley. So in order to draw a paisley, you need to draw a leaf shape, which is quite large and is empty on the inside. Then you just want to draw kind of a mandala shape inside the paisley just to fill it up and make it look decorated and nice. I decided to take little bits and pieces from different designs from this video and incorporate them into the paisley. And that's it! Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel right down below, and be sure to follow me on Twitter and tweet me for a shout out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!